everyone and welcome back to my channel. A few videos back I shared my thoughts about Elf Cosmetics launch in India, and I also shared that I bought 3 of these bite-size eyeshadow palettes. In today's video I would be trying this particular small bite-size eyeshadow palette from Elf Cosmetics. This particular shade that I'll be trying today is called Berry Bat. As I said in my last video, if I like these palettes then I might give a few more products from Elf Cosmetics a try. So this is the look that I created using this particular palette. Today I would just be talking about this palette and also be sharing a mini tutorial on this particular look that I'm wearing today. So I created this look using this little eyeshadow palette, and it hardly took me around like 5 minutes to achieve this look. So if you're interested to know more about this palette, then keep on watching. Okay, so like always, let's start with the packaging of this palette first. This is how the palette comes like. I have shown you earlier also. So this is a 4-pan eyeshadow palette and this is how it looks. It has a transparent lid and every other detail about the product is actually mentioned on a sticker pasted at the back. This particular product is actually made in China as it is mentioned on the sticker. So those of you who are a little reluctant about made in China products might find this an issue. The list of ingredients is also mentioned on this little sticker pasted at the back, and quantity wise this palette is 3.5 grams and this retails for 400 rupees on Nykaa's website. Now Elf Cosmetics actually launched in India only exclusively on Nykaa's website, and you might also find them on Nykaa store, but apart from Nykaa it has not been launched anywhere else. If we talk about the size of the packaging, it's very small, it's very compact, plus the lid is pretty sturdy and it even closes with a click. So yes, this is a very compact and very travel friendly palette, and obviously because of this little size it is very easy to carry even in like small purses and clutches. So travel wise, packaging wise, it is good, it is travel friendly too. This is how the colors look like when it's open. I would quickly swatch all the 4 colors in the back of my hand. Actually I've also swatched the 3 palettes that I bought in my previous video. If you haven't watched that video yet, I would be linking that video in the description box down below and even in the I button somewhere here. But for the sake of this video, because I'm just talking about this particular palette, I will just quickly swatch all the 4 colors at the back of my hand. Okay, so this is how all the 4 colors look like. The matte colors are like decently pigmented, but these foil colors, the one that you usually apply using a flat brush or a finger, are really pigmented. Matte colors are actually even a little bit powdery, but these shimmers are not very powdery and they are like very nice to apply. It is a perfect, I would say, like going out palette, because like it is a bronzy sort of a shade and it will look perfect with Indian outfits. Now you have already seen how these colors look like. So if I talk about the pigmentation of these shimmery colors is good, but I'm not sure about this lighter matte right here. So I particularly use this matte, this one on the very left, just as a setting powder over my eye base. Apart from that, this color is not actually very pigmented, but I'm really happy with the way this particular color looks like. Like this one, this is the one that I'm wearing all over my lids right now, and it is beautiful. These colors are really easy to blend. As you'll be seeing in the tutorial portion, I just used one brush and I was done with this particular look within 5 minutes. They are really easy to blend, really pigmented, and for 400, if I am asked to justify the price, then yes, it is a decent price. I could have liked it a little better if this particular one retailed for around 300 rupees. But on Elf's official website it retails for around like $3, which is like 210 or 220 rupees. So considering the custom duties and all, I am actually okay with the price range of 400 rupees. I already have 3 of these eyeshadow palettes and I might not buy more until I get the one that I desire. Now after actually using this, I am sort of interested in trying more products from Elf Cosmetics, but I would still say that because of the price range at which they are launched on Nykaa, I would wait till the time Elf Cosmetics goes on a discount or maybe some sort of offer. So now without talking more about the palette, let's quickly jump into the tutorial. that's it for today's video. This was a very short video because this is a very short and very sweet little palette. So that is what got reflected in my video too. If you like today's video, then do not forget to give it a thumbs up and do consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you're interested in seeing the eye makeup tutorials and in detailed review of the other two palettes that I have in my collection, then do let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to make a separate video about those two. Thank you so much for watching my video. Namaste.